What do you call that one? Joyride?
Yeah, joyride.
Okay.
Boys, you're gonna ride with your dad, okay? Ken, so I'm with boys. Pag papunta, pag pauwi, I'm with the boys. You're
Okay.
with the girls.
So which car you gonna use?
What you gonna choose?
The white car.
White, okay. So boys gonna get the white car and girls gonna use the orange car. Alright?
Okay. Let's see. Alright, let's go to Hey, Baguio!
See you, Baguio!
Guys, Ate Flor is very shocked because she thought that we're going just somewhere and she know that she's going to Baguio. So excited. Wear your seatbelt. Let's go, guys.
Alright.
See you, Baguio!
Hello?
Hey dad, I connected to my phone.
Told you.
I got-
Oh, we're now vlogging.
Once again.
Once again, it's Sunday, it's family day.
Yeah.
And we're having a what? Joyride.
Joyride. What are we gonna do in Baguio?
We're just going to eat. We're going to eat barbecue.
Oh, let's go! Barbecue! Can it be chicken? I want chicken barbecue.
Papunta kami ng Baguio. Stella, gusto niya na guwaro kami ng walkie-talkie, yung radio. Sabi ko, mas maganda na itong ganito. High-tech na ngayon. Pwede naman tawag na lang, unlimited call.
Hindi ko naisip yon.
Oh, di ba?
So guys, Ken is videoing.
We're
Also-
connected to other cars now.
Yeah.
And I have a videographer here.
Orange car.
I don't know where to point the video. Nagbablog si Ken tsaka si Simon eh.
Oh wow, very good.
Meron silang sariling channel eh. What do you call that mountain?
I don't know.
Guys, do
It's
you know
okay,
what
it's
they call
okay.
that mountain?
Nepal.
I don't know.
That is Malunggao.
Balungao.
Yeah, Malunggao Mountain.
Can we visit now?
Nasa akin yung phone.
I want to ask you a question. If y'all play Roblox,
Signal. It's on the signal. Alam nyo guys, ito si Max kasi yan. Famous na yan eh. The youngest entrepreneur of the year. Yay! Palakpak naman kayo guys. Ayun. At si Simon naman, famous din yan kasi kilala siya bilang isang tape guy. Simon, show yourself.
I'm the type person.
Yeah, take person.
He's tape guy.
Oo, nagpapalakpak agad oh. At si Ken naman, ano ka ba kilala si Ken? Videographer kasi si Ken. Videographer namin, ayan yan si Ken. Oh, yes sir.
yeah, but I'm the one that's holding the camera right now.
This year, I'm looking for something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, then I won't forgive it, no.
Ready?
Are gonna take
Go.
over mom. Let's go fast!
Go, go, go.
We're gonna take
There's a
over
car,
mom.
there's a car.
Wait, there's a car, there's a car.
Sa car.
Before we go fast, there's a car. Until we go past that car, we could overtake mom. Let's do this.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
3,
2,
1.
1. We just lost them. That was sick.
Told you.
God is filming at the back. Oh my goodness.
Loser.
Now you experience how fast this car is.
My goodness. I'm holding the camera as tight as I can. Because this car is faster than that one.
No, that car is more faster. That's V8 engine. This car is only this. Oh. Hey, you still there, Mom?
Yeah?
Yeah, we're still at the back. We're at the back.
Are you ready, Simon?
Oh,
Ken?
oh no. We're ready.
Alright.
Yeah.
2,
Send it.
1, go!
Moving with the camera. The camera is not flying.
How's the experience?
Good.
Change car?
Later na lang.
Let's go.
Okay, milk tea.
Yes, please. I want Oreo. Yes.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Guys, do you know that this Eleanor has a sports mode?
Daddy,
Ah.
sabi niya, ang ganda nung pangalan no, Eleanor, sabi niya. Tapos sabi ko, yeah, it's
What's your name? Eleanor. It's you. Di mo alam, ikaw yun.
Pinagbaliktad lang, no?
Oo, you are Eleanor Sai.
So I dance the night away when nobody's awake. I'd be the last to stay. Dance the night away.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
you want them to learn how to drive?
Of course, dapat lahat sila.
If you want them to learn how to drive, test drive the 4x4 outside.
Oo, pwede. Papalagyan ko ng baterya yon.
Are you gonna buy us a toy?
I'll see.
Wait, mother, can I at least?
Are you gonna buy a
RC car?
No.
Mami, Simon want to say something.
What?
Could I get a go-kart?
Go-kart, of course.
Ken,
Alright,
how are
me
you,
too.
Ken?
Me too. Me too.
I'm
Me
gonna
too.
turn it into a car.
I also want to go kart.
Alright, guys, we are now 2 kilometers away from Season.
I don't know if I'll make it home. I don't know, not like I care. All I know, sound of disco. Only know I want the best of us. So I dance the night away when nobody's awake. I'd be the last to stay. Dance the night away, no matter what they say.
Why don't you just keep on calling my store a scammer?
Why they call you scammer?
Because it is too expensive, scammer.
Oh, for real?
Yes, he's always saying.
Hey, what do you say?
"Scammer."
What do you say when someone call you scammer?
I'm the scammer. You scammed someone else for their things. You said, I'll give it back tomorrow. But you did not give it back tomorrow.
So he's the scammer. He didn't pay you.
You gave it back next week.
You're selling something. If you sell something, that is not scamming because they buy it. They willingly buy it, right?
Yeah.
They willingly buy the things that you sell.
Yes.
Now, if they don't pay you, they are the scammer because they don't pay you,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you are not a scammer.
But they cannot give the thing that they borrow back.
Yeah.
But I give the thing that I borrow back.
Yeah.
Guess what? Business is just business.
Yes. Business is business, not scam. You are now leaving T-Plex. Thank you.
Please, I want Oreo. Yes.
Yay! Bye! Bye-bye!
Alright, aakyat na kami ng Cannon Road.
Whoa, guys, so cool. Look, it's Shrek. It's body.
Oh my God, it's Optimus Prime.
It's Shrek. It's Shrek.
It's Optimus Prime.
It's a Flash.
Yes.
A design.
Oh, dang. What happened?
Oh, dang! Kinain niya yung line. Kinain niya yung line ng ano.
Okay, we're now here at the Camp 4. In Baguio, we have 7 different camps, you know?
Oh wow! Look at it.
Oh, you hear that?
That was mom.
That's your mom.
It's like a lion. It just purrs.
Yeah, your mom's like a lion. Exactly. She roar. Yes. Camp 4.
It's a dragon.
Yes,
No,
exactly.
No, an ogre. An ogre.
Nabubuli ako ah.
Yes.
Right.
And then we're going to stop to the Lion's Head. They said that if you don't have a picture in Lion's Head, you've never been in Baguio. Welcome to Baguio, the Lion's Head.
Look at that mountain. It's all green.
We have have put the parking area there. It's so
it's
far.
filled with cement.
We're just going to pass by for the Lion's Head because we don't want to cause a traffic on that view.
Pag nakita mo yung barbecue dyan, pwede na tayong mag-barbecue.
Barbecue gaming! Let's go! Hi kids! Ayan o. Alright.
Gonna wait for the barbecue.
Yun. So, share ko sa inyo. Ito yung barbecue na lagi namin dinadayo dito. Ayan. Sarap ng barbecue nila dito, guys. Pangalawang beses na kaming pumunta dito. Before nung pumunta kami dito, naka-motor kami. Ngayon naman, naka-kotse naman tayo. Ano, Sai? Okay na yung order mo?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just need to wait for our orders.
Okay na?
Hey, finally! Nice! Luto na! Oh! Oh, careful ah. Do not drop anything on my Eleanor. What's that? What's that?
Preparing kayo. Pwede.
Mm.
Mag-selfie kayo.
You eating it?
Bigay mo, ma.
I did it very carefully.
Oh, you eat it without any spilling anything. Good job.
Careful.
Do not drop anything on my Eleanor. I'm a car guy now.
How?
Yes, because I'm taking care of my car.
Oh yeah.
Okay, there's your phone, Nas.
I did not spill anything.
Don't talk when the mouth is full. Wait, how can I eat, Mom?
Gonna eat. Do like me, do like me.
Is
O,
this
sige na,
mine?
eat ka. Meron pa dito.
Oh my god.
Meron pa dito. Say ko na. Palit ng baboy.
Tastes so
Like
good.
malambot. Sarap.
Belly.
You spill my car. Do not drop anything on my Eleanor. You spill my car. No, don't everything. Barbecue gaming. Let's go. Dang, are you happy? Yeah. Oh, high five. High. Yeah. With us, right? Yeah, with us. All right, we're good. Use your seatbelt, guys.
It's ready. It's been
Seatbelt
on.
on.
It's been on.
Always has been.
O, tara na.
Yeah.
Ready? You go ahead. Go first. Okay, we're here now at the Camp John Hay.
Yep, I saw a sign that says
Yep.
welcome to Camp on
John
John
Hay.
Hay. Yeah,
Yep.
it was smaller. It was smaller though. It was smaller.
Teka. Okay, can you get down?
Yeah. Let me pull back the chair.
Yeah, pull the chair. Okay.
Right. You don't want to scratch this car.
Okay. Oh, guys, you have to help your mom.
No, it's okay.
It's okay? Wow. Bait mo naman talaga. Love you. Because you're there. Para pagsilbihan ako, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh, di ba? Kasi
You're the king.
I-
I'm gonna serve you.
since I am your king, bakit lalaki dapat ang king?
Because head of the family. Dapat siya ang mag-work for the family.
Yes. And I'm the one who provide the needs. Shake hands mo yan. Very good, very good. Good, good.
Yeah, that's the pistachio.
Sarap pala yan.
Oo naman. Like, you want also? May cheese sila.
Talaga? Ay, diet ako eh.
Kaya. Oh, you hold na.
Alright, so ito na yung order namin. May pizza kami. Yun, ultimate plate. Favorite pizza. Oh, nice. And we have also our Alfredo pasta, chicken Alfredo. And then we have ice cream. Simon, where do you think you are?
Canada.
This is not Canada. This is Baguio. Ito mo yung mga kapatid niyo. Nag-enjoy sila, oh. They're enjoying the cold weather. Round 1. Fight!
A new place, a new home for a while. Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all.
Are you going to fly? Come on. We're going home. Talaga ba? Oh? Pati kayo? Uy, social naman. Pinagbuksan pa ka. Pag nagbuksan ka pa, Simon. Sir. Thank you po. So, para sa 1 million question, guys.
What?
Nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Yes.
Ay, parang hindi. Lakasan nyo yung sagot nyo. For the 1 million question, guys, nag-enjoy ba kayo?
Bakit chocolate di Baterol? Kain muna tayo bago tayo
Let's go. Pasok tayo dito sa Chocolate de Baterol. Kakain tayo ng tsokolate. Isang kilong chocolate nga po. Wow. After ng pizza, ito naman, Chocolate de Baterol. Wait, what happened? What happened?
Kain na. Tunukin mo yan. I won't loud.
Hermes, what's that?
Turon with langka.
Oh, nice.
What's my reward?
For the thing.
Maninisan. Mom said maninisan.
Okay.
Tell me your reaction.
Oy, oy, oy.
Hey, let me try. Bitter, bro. Let's see if it's actually true. It's bitter.
See. Wait.
See?
A little bit.
A little bit.
Oh, it,
But it's the real taste of the chocolate. You like it?
oh. It's bitter. Bitter.
Let me see.
guys are just being dramatic.
Oh, you eat all. Wow. Wow.
See?
Let's
Let's
see.
see. Let me see that face. Let me see the face. Oh. Show it to me if it's empty. Eat it all.
Does it taste like that? It's so bitter.
It's good. Oh, you're just pretending daw, guys.
It's just bitter. Too like
Oo, Chocolate de Baterol. At saka meron pa. Ano kaya yung meron pa na yun? So, tapos na kami kumain. Alright guys, dahil napagbigyan naman natin ang kagustuhan ng ating mga prinsesa at prinsipe, ngayon naman nakita ko lang, nadaanan namin ito. Mayroon palang tambay dito ng mga sasakyan. Dahil nakasasakyan naman tayo, samantalahin na natin yung makatambay with them at nakipag-associate tayo sa mga car enthusiast dito na nakatambay ngayon sa Camp John Hay. So tara, let's go at silipin natin yung kanilang mga rig. Okay, nandito na kami ngayon. Oh, pauwi na yung iba, but the auto locks is there. Ayun, dito tayo.
Dang, bro, look at
Pwede
them.
ba kami dito? Pwede po ba kami dito, Dad?
Pwede. Boss, what?
So 6:30 lang daw yung
Yes, yes. Actually, hindi naman ako nandito para mag-participate or tumambay. Nakita ko lang yung post mo. Oo. Boss, ang pinunta ko dito, yung Autolux na logo lang na yun eh.
Lakas mo talaga
Oo.
mag-support sa amin.
Wala naman ako ibang pinuntahan dito, boss.
Autolux.
Yan, Autolux lang talaga. So this is the rig of Autolux. So nakita ko lang sa Facebook page nila to. Ito yung Autolux na yellow. Nice. So uwi na kami. Bye-bye. Okay, yan na, tapos na. Nakaka-enjoy. Lahat kami ay napagbigyan sa mga request namin. Kung si Ate Saysay ay napagbigyan natin sa pagkain at ang Mami Ellen naman ay napagbigyan natin sa Baguio at ang mga kids ay napaglaro natin dito sa park ng Baguio. Ay naman ay napagbigyan sa ating nabilisang motor show. Let's go home, guys.